Hi guys, hope everyone's having a great day. So basically I wanted to do a video on a household item. It's also a beverage. It's something that I have once a day and it is awesome. So I just wanted to share this product video with you guys. So this is Evolve Plant-Based Protein Shake. Now, it is vegan. I'm not vegan. However, I noticed when I would drink like certain things like a muscle milk or something like that, it was just very like heavy on my stomach. I think because it's made with heavy like whole milk and stuff like that, or just regular milk. So for me, the plant-based protein shakes kind of just work out better. So these are great if you just went to the gym, before you go to the gym, as a snack. If you're someone who's like super busy and just like you don't have time to make a shake at home, or you're on the go and you want to just have something like, you know, in your purse or in your backpack, in case you get hungry to kind of hold you over, it's perfect for all of those things. So this flavor, they do have other flavors. I get the double chocolate. I'm a chocolate person. Chocolate is like my favorite flavor. Everything, dessert, doesn't matter what it is. I love chocolate. So what I really like about it is, first off, it's 20 grams of plant protein. So I am, like I said, I'm a vegetarian. I'm not vegan. So for me, it may be harder to get protein than say like someone who is an omnivore or someone who does eat meat, right? So I do have to watch, and I just make sure that I get enough protein. So thankfully, brands like this make it easier for people. So this is what it is. It's a Tetra pack. I stick them in the fridge, keep them nice and cold. And then I buy the 18 pack. They're affordable. They're not that expensive, and the ingredients are like definitely quality ingredients. Water, pea protein isolate, soluble corn fiber, contains less than 2% of cane sugar, cocoa processed with alkali, natural flavor, tricalcium phosphate, potassium chloride, gellan gum, purified stevia leaf extracts, and then the vitamin B12. So I really love the flavor of it. I love the ingredients because none of them are bad. Pea protein is actually very healthy. Then the nutrition facts. So 140 calories, can't go wrong with that. 2.5 grams of fat, no trans fat. Sodium 250 milligrams, not bad. Total carbs 17 grams, dietary fiber 10 grams, total sugars 4 grams, and includes 4 grams of added sugars and the 20 grams of protein. So just to be honest with you, I'm not a fan of like any of the sweeteners, like sucralose, sweet and low. I know sweet and low is like not good for you. That's like a totally different category. But I'm not a fan of anything that's not straight up sugar, because to me, I could tell the difference. So it did take me like a couple times to try these to actually get used to the flavor of the stevia. It's honestly not overpowering, but for someone that just does not like anything that isn't real sugar, and it does have some cane sugar in it, very little, but for someone that just does not like anything sweet unless it's just comes from sugar, you know, it might be like, okay, at first, like, it's not, I don't want to say it's funny tasting. It's a little different tasting, and it may take a second to get used to. So just to be honest about that point. Everything else in it is really good. I love that it's pea protein. I love that it's 20 grams of plant protein. It's really not fattening at all. The flavor's good. These are easy on the go. You just open this, you shake it really well. You want to make sure you shake it really well before you get it, before you drink it. Open it up, and you can just drink straight out of the carton. So it's nice and easy. You don't have to really do anything at all. That's why I bought these, because I'm like, if I'm on the go, I can't make a shake, you know. And these are healthy. I'm also pregnant, so it's great for pregnant women to, you know, the doctor wants you to make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet. So it's great for pregnant women as well. Men, women alike. I would say even kids. I have a baby. When he gets older, I would gladly give him this, and I think he would love it. So, oh, and then it's non-GMO project verified. just to mention that. Double chocolate, natural flavor, made with other natural flavor. So it doesn't have anything artificial in it. So I think it's like a parent-approved drink if you're someone that wants to watch out for your health and you need like a snack on the go, you're busy, you don't have time to make a shake, you like to take something with you, you know, just to put in your lunchbox, then Evolve plant-based protein shakes are perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys liked it, please feel free to like and leave me a comment. I really appreciate all your feedback, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.